Salesforce Agentforce promises to turn your CRM into an autonomous AI workforce. But before you sign that enterprise order form, let's tear apart the Salesforce Agentforce architecture actually running under the hood. Agentforce is Salesforce's agentic AI layer, designed to deploy autonomous agents that execute multi-step processes across sales, service, and marketing cloud. The pitch is compelling. AI agents that reason, act, and resolve customer interactions without human handoffs. But enterprise agentic AI built inside a proprietary metadata framework comes with hard architectural ceilings most buyers discover post-deployment. Agentforce agents are scoped entirely within Salesforce's metadata and flow-based action framework. Every agent action must be pre-declared as a discrete, permissioned step. There's no dynamic tool calling outside that declared action library, which fundamentally limits how flexible multi-agent orchestration in Salesforce can get at runtime. Salesforce Data Cloud integration is the bigger bottleneck. Real-time decisioning depends on segment activation, and sync latency between external sources and the Agentforce decision loop can range from minutes to hours, depending on your ingestion pipeline. The Einstein Trust Layer enforces struct LLM payload limits. PII masking and zero retention prompting are non-negotiable, which is good for compliance, but strips context from complex reasoning chains. If you're already on Sales or Service Cloud Enterprise, Agentforce is not included. It's provisioned separately at roughly $2 per conversation, with a conversation defined loosely enough that complex workflows can burn allocations fast. Data Cloud requires its own licensing tier, and without it, Agentforce loses most of its grounding capability, effectively a prerequisite cost you won't see in the headline number. For a typical 500-seat enterprise deployment, realistic first-year Agentforce TCO, including Data Cloud, provisioning, and implementation services, can exceed $400,000 before any customization. The logical verdict: Agentforce is a defensible choice if your entire stack lives in Salesforce and your use cases map cleanly to pre-built action templates. If you need flexible LLM orchestration, cross-platform agent deployment, or tighter cost control, evaluate Microsoft Copilot Studio, ServiceNow Now Assist, or HubSpot's AI agents. Links to all 4 platforms are listed below. If this breakdown saved you a discovery call, hit subscribe for more enterprise teardowns like this.